Welcome back for another episode of Keeping It Simple. After a break of 2 weeks, we are having this program. Um, it's been it's been because of situations beyond our control. Hmm. One one of the Sundays, I totally forgot that I had this program, and then last week the network was not so good, so we could not have the session. Uh, Another episode, more questions, more knowledge, and more understanding for all of us. Keep on supporting us the way you have been supporting till now. So here is Dhruv. Welcome, Dhruv. How are you doing?
I'm great, Bhaiya. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. As you can see, I'm in the Himalayas and I'm wrapped inside a shawl. It's still quite cold. The weather is little changing here. Sometimes it's quite warm, 15, 16 degrees, and then it goes to freezing point. So this changing weather is having an effect on my voice and giving me a little cough.
Okay. Now you look very cozy. It makes me want to be in winter season.
Yeah, especially when the rest of the country is in the midst of a heat wave.
Yeah.
I'm here enjoying cool weather. But the weather is too unpredictable. We had snow 2 days ago, and it snowed for good 3 hours. So from snow to 15, 16 degrees, that transition, the body takes a little time to adjust. They say this is the transition season. By first week of May, it will be a little more stable,
Okay.
little more manageable.
Great, Bhaiya.
So good, Dhruv. Do you have any questions? I'm
Yes,
sure
Bhaiya,
you'll have
we have
after a
questions.
break of 2 weeks.
Yes, Bhaiya, we have questions from 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
We can start whenever we're ready.
yeah, I'm always ready.
Okay, Bhaiya. All right, Bhaiya, the first question is it's in Hindi. It says, जब हम सक्सेसफुल होते हैं तो हमेशा खुश रहते हैं बट कभी फेल हो जाते हैं तो दुखी क्यों होते हैं?
क्योंकि दुख को हमने सही नजरिए से देखा नहीं, दृष्टिकोण से देखा नहीं, है ना। जो असफलता होती है वो सफलता के लिए पायदान है ना। देखिए, बिना असफल हुए कोई भी व्यक्ति पहले प्रयत्न में सफल नहीं हुआ। मनुष्य को चांद पर जाना था, तो ऐसा नहीं कि पहली बार रॉकेट छोड़ दिया और चांद पर पहुंच गए, है ना। पहले कुछ रॉकेट भेजे, पहले सिर्फ आकाश में ही भेजे, वहां से वापस आए, वहां कुछ दुर्घटनाएं हुई। चांद पर कुछ रॉकेट भेजे, उसमें कुछ दुर्घटनाएं हुई। फिर मनुष्य को भेजा, उसमें कुछ दुर्घटना हुई। हाँ, तो वो सब असफलता एक के बाद आते गए, लेकिन उससे रास्ता निकालते गए, और फिर 10-12 साल के प्रयास के बाद मनुष्य चंद्रमा पर पहुंचा। उसी तरह मंगलयान, है ना। मंगल पर हम तो, हमारा हिंदुस्तान का मंगलयान तो पहले पहले मौके पर पहुंच गया, लेकिन ऐसा कोई देश नहीं है जो पहले मौके पर पहुंचा, है ना। पिछले साल चंद्रयान को भी लेकर बहुत उत्सुकता थी कि चंद्रमा पर लैंड होंगे, लेकिन वो अंत में लैंड नहीं हुआ। तो असफलता तो जीवन का एक अंग है। हाँ, और असफलता लेने के लिए तैयार नहीं है तो सफलता भी मिलने वाली नहीं है। हाँ, तो असफलता से इतना दुखी नहीं होना। हाँ, ये तो एक पायदान है सफल बनने के लिए, बस ये मानकर चलना है।
Bhaiya, there's a question in the audience. The question is, what is anugrah?
अनुग्रह मीन्स ब्लेसिंग्स, आशीर्वाद, है ना।
Okay.
तो अनुग्रह आशीर्वाद का एक शब्द है, एक अर्थ है। तो
Okay, Bhaiya.
अनुग्रह फॉर एवरीथिंग ना।
Yeah.
ब्लेसिंग्स के बिना काम, आशीर्वाद के बिना काम नहीं।
Ji. All right, Bhaiya. The next question is, why in romantic love we expect something? How to be more giving in a relationship?
Yeah, now you have to, since the question has come from you, the answer will also come from you. I can't give you. Now you have understood. that one, you're expecting something, and second, that you have to learn to give. So find out in what situations you can give, mm, when you can give, how much you can give, and it is a practice. It does not happen just by saying. It's a lifelong practice. Mm. And that is the secret of any romantic or any relationship. If you're in a relationship to give, then you will receive much more than what you have given. But if you're always questioning how much I have received, what will I receive, then you will stop giving, and then whatever you have to receive, you will receive much lesser than that also. Okay, so every relationship is all about giving.
Okay, भैया. And the next question is how to attract right people in your life.
You be happy, you be joyful, you do your sadhana, seva, satsang, and then sooner or later you will start attracting the right people. Mm. So that is the formula. Mm. When you go for satsang, then you will get people who are satsangi, who are like-minded. Okay, like this. You need to invest time and space and uh, through actions also, and then you will get.
Okay, भैया. May the next question is can you shed some light on Sri Chakra? Should we have one in our house? Sri Yantra, I think.
Sri Yantra, yeah, yeah. you know, many people have it in their home, but there are many people who say that Sri Yantra is three-dimensional. There are some people who make a two-dimensional representation also. So I don't have much insight into that. Mm, yeah, if you get a good Sri Yantra from a reputed and a well-known person who knows, yantras are what? They're energy circuits. So they direct energy into certain ways. So energy, if it can be driven through certain shapes in certain directions, if it is not made properly, then it can do little harm also. Okay, so that is why we need to have a person who's an expert and proven expert. It's not you know a doing of an amateur. Some professionals who know what they're doing. From there, if you get, yeah, you can keep. It's your choice whether you want to keep or not.
Okay, भैया. Bhaiya, the next question is how is Gurudev so rich spiritually and yet so humble?
It's only when you're spiritually rich, then you can be humble. It's a natural happening. You don't need to put on a show. So it happens automatically. When you start encompassing everyone, when you start feeling everyone is a part of you, then what is there to show on? What is there to show? Everyone is part of you. Just like how you deal with your brothers, sisters, family members, you deal with everyone else. And that is what Gurudev is doing. For him, there is no stranger. Everyone is a part of his family only. Isn't it? In fact, from there, that belongingness and the so-called humility automatically comes.
Bhaiya, the next question is I put Vikalpa in my desires. How to get out of this habit?
Yeah, when you recognize you have put a vikalpa, make it into a sankalpa. Start working for it. That's
Okay, भैया.
nothing more, nothing less. As simple as that. That is why this program is called Keeping It Simple.
Great answer, भैया. Where the next question is how to mature your heart.
It will mature on its own. You don't need to worry about it. You do your sadhana, you do your seva, satsang, and every few months do your advanced courses. and it will happen on its own. You don't have to put too much effort. This maturing of the heart is a happening rather than doing. Okay, so it will happen. But in that happening also, we have to create the right environment for it to mature. And that environment is created when we go in silence, when we do our sadhana regularly, seva, satsang regularly, all that when we do regularly, then it happens.
Where the last question I have for this week is, I just saw a video of Gurudev showing a few birds being controlled by one thing. He mentioned that this is karma. There is so much importance given to karma, but you are saying that that we have to keep it light, not worry about karma. How to find this balance?
It will happen, you know. It's like learning to bicycle. The first day when we learn to bicycle, it's such a big task, learning to balance and not fall and hurt yourself. You fall a few times, you still make an effort, but with that effort, what happens? It becomes more and more effortless. And after a few days, cycling becomes effortless. No, there is no strain. Imagine the first day you learn to cycle, and the 10th or 15th day, or now, there's a world of a difference, right? All cycling has become effortless. It's the same thing. When you practice in the beginning, it appears to be a little difficult, but when you practice, it becomes easier and easier. Not only bicycling, if you want to learn to play football or cricket or tennis, the more you practice, the more effortless it becomes. Same thing with meditation, same thing with living life. It's everything. That is what abhyasa. Satu dirgha kal nairantarya satkar sevito. Regular practice with lot of honor. You do it, and then all those things become easy. Karma also becomes easy.
There are a couple of questions in the audience. First one I'll take.
Mhm.
The way life being super difficult for me, I'm not able to keep faith in God's spirituality. Nothing good is happening.
Yeah, whatever little faith you have, to have that. That's all. Hmm. Suppose you have 20% faith, work with that 20% faith. Remaining 80% you work and put your effort. Okay. Hmm. So that is what life is. You have to give effort also, and you have to have faith also. So you're in the right place. 100% faith is not possible. And there are people who have 100% faith. No? They say, "Oh, I don't need to do anything. Everything will happen on its own." No, some efforts also is required. So it's fine. Little bit lack of faith is fine. No problem.
Okay, the next question in the audience is जय गुरुदेव भैया, क्या सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस को ईगो कहते हैं क्या? प्लीज मुझे ईगो के बारे में बताएं एंड इससे बाहर कैसे निकलें?
इतना चिंता मत करो भाई, है ना। ये प्रोग्राम का नाम क्या है? कीपिंग इट सिंपल, है ना। तो ईगो को रहने दो। हम्म, अपना तुम जो बनना है करते चलो। हाँ, वो ईगो अस्तित्व का छठा स्तर है, तो उसको रहने दो, है ना। वो जब समझ जाएंगे, उसको हैंडल करना भी समझ जाएंगे। तब तक उसको इतना सर नहीं फोड़ना। मेरा अहंकार बहुत ज्यादा है, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए। मस्त रहो, खुश रहो, है ना। देखिए, एक छोटा बच्चा होता है, वो कभी अपने अहंकार की चिंता नहीं करता। उसको गुस्सा आ जाता, गुस्सा कर लेता है। हम्म दुखी होना है तो दुखी भी हो जाता है, ऐसा भी वैसे भी, तो वैसे मस्त रहो। जो हो रहा है उसके साथ होने दो। वो छोटा बच्चा उलझता नहीं, मेरा अहंकार बढ़ गया, मेरा ऐसा हो गया, मेरा वैसा हो गया। रोना धोना उसमें नहीं उलझा रहता वो। आप भी उलझो मत, है ना। तो मस्त रहो, खुश रहो। जीवन चल रहा है, उसको चलने दो। ठीक है। सो गुड ध्रुव। So from next week, we will have this program on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, live, keeping it simple, and we will have something little different uh, for Instagram. Okay. So those of us who would like to follow this program will need to log into my or get into my YouTube channel, and from next week we will have it there. That much for from both of us this week. Wish you all the best. Have a wonderful week. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Okay. Do your meditations regularly, do your pranayams regularly, and take care of your immunity. Bye bye and Jai Gurudev.
जी